If your tub drain is rusted and no longer supports a stopper, don't worry. This video will show you how to easily install a new one yourself. Tools and materials: new tub drain stopper and overflow plate kit, combo set, tub drain removal tool, or large pliers if needed, 1-inch wrench or large adjustable pliers, flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, for overflow plate, plumber's putty pick tool, optional, for removing old gasket, paper towels, gloves, optional for cleanliness. Step 1. Removing the old drain first. Try twisting the old drain counterclockwise. If there's a screw in the stopper, unscrew it first. If the drain is heavily rusted, like mine was, insert the removal tool into the drain and use a large wrench or a screwdriver to turn it left, counterclockwise. Apply firm but steady pressure. Avoid damaging the drain area underneath by forcing it too hard. Keep turning until the drain lifts out completely. Step 2. Cleaning the drain area. Once the drain is removed, clean the opening thoroughly. Use a pick or flathead screwdriver to remove the old gasket underneath the tub. Clean off any remaining plumber's putty and grime with a paper towel and soapy water. Make sure the surface is smooth and dry to ensure a good seal later. Step 3. Installing the new drain. Remove the new rubber gasket from the new drain assembly. Insert the gasket underneath the tub hole, where the old gasket was. Roll out a thin snake of plumber's putty and apply it around the underside of the new drain flange, the wide part that sits on top of the tub. Insert the drain into the tub opening, lining it up carefully. Tighten the new drain by hand first, then use the removal tool to tighten it securely. Don't over-tighten. You want it snug enough to seal, but not so tight you damage the tub or threads. Excess plumber's putty will squeeze out around the edges. That's a good sign. Wipe it away cleanly with a paper towel or flathead screwdriver. Step 4. Replacing the overflow plate. Unscrew the old overflow plate using a flathead screwdriver. Clean around the overflow hole with a paper towel and soapy water. Position the new overflow plate. Make sure the small built-in drain hole is facing down. Insert the new screw, provided, and tighten it using a Phillips screwdriver. Hand tight is good enough, no need to over-tighten and risk damaging the plate. Step 5. Test your work. Fill the tub with some water and watch the drain area closely for leaks. Check the overflow plate area as well. If everything looks dry and sealed, redone. If the plumber's putty was older or dry, adding a little water can help revive it. It's often a good idea to come back a day later and give the drain a small extra turn if needed to make sure it stays snug. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe for more DIY projects. Would you also like me to format this like a video script with exact camera direction cues, like zoom in on drain, show close-up of gasket removal, if you planning to record or produce it?